All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So on to. Working on something. I was on to them. I was on to them. I will get started onto it soon. I'll get started onto it soon, yeah. We are on to the idea, yeah. We are on to the idea. He wants to get onto the ride. Yeah. We put it onto the truck. Yeah. They might put it onto the table or board. Yeah. Yeah, depends on things. How cool is that? We're putting it onto the truck now, yeah. We need to put it onto the back of the truck today. Yeah, today. How cool is that? How cool is that? They easily put it onto the delivery truck. They easily put it onto it, yeah. What else are they going to do? They easily put it onto the back of the trolley, for example. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use onto in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.